Now this is Mr. Penguin. And say hello to him like in the card. Hello. Now, he wants to make slime today. And he's excited for slime. Don't forget to ask an adult to help you.
Let it in. Sunshine.
So, welcome back to my channel again. So, guess what we're doing? We're learning how to make glitter glue. We're doing fluffy slime.
We're making fluffy slime?
Yep, and we have to mix it with this trinket. And we have to use this first.
What is that?
It's glitter glue. There's some, you can see there's some glitter glue in there.
All right, go ahead and pour it in.
We have our glitter glue done, okay? Now we're going to add a baking soda, okay? Have to stir it all up. Now let's stir it. So we're going to open a hatchet and we'll see. See, it's kind of not turned up very well, but we still have to turn it in. It's going to look very fun. And we got add this and this. All right, it's all mixed well, so we can add this.
What is that?
It's called shaving cream.
Do you need my help?
No, I'm making something. Okay? So, okay, my mommy had to help me, and we put my mommy put the shaving cream in. Now let's stir and mix it all together. It made my fingers very tired. Now, what we have to do, guys, we have to do this. Now, what adding baking soda do we have to add? This now, after we mix all this together. And let's mix it together.
Have you made this before?
Yep, I have. In a couple of weeks, and it makes my phone very powdery. Wipe the table off. Okay. And this is part of the cream. And it feels kind of weird. Unless you touch it more, it's more soft. Okay, this is where I need my mommy to turn. It's the hard, tricky.
It's tricky. Okay, I'll come help.
Mommy helped me turn it, and this is my penguin. Now we get to do this.
What's that?
It's called our stuff where we need to add it again.
Saline solution.
Saline solution.
And you should have this in your home if someone in your family wears contact lenses. So go ahead, get the saline solution, and you can squeeze it in there.
Whoops. I'm going to leave it like that. Oops. Let's add this, okay? Ready?
It's gonna fall. That's okay.
That's kind of weird.
That's good. Now we should mix it.
Okay?
Don't worry. I'll fix that later.
Yep. But we can do it like that. And kind of mix it off. It kind of feel weird on my fingers. Now, we got to turn together, okay? Ready?
And that saline solution makes everything sticky and
Yep,
bind together.
And blue. Whoop. Oh, see? It's getting very sticky, you see? See? It doesn't do it very well.
So
And it
it's
gets
almost
on my-
ready, right?
And it gets on my mommy's phone. On my mommy phone. And this is my mommy doing this. And it kind of is sticky.
Still sticky. We gotta keep stirring.
And it feels weird. Now we just squeeze it a little. What? This is...
We're gonna add a little more saline solution so it's not so sticky. Go ahead, squeeze it.
It feels weird. Wow.
Now you just keep kneading it in there. Your slime's almost done.
You can make it into silver or something.
I think it's done. You want me to take the bowl away?
Yeah.
You can play with it. Oh, it's so fluffy.
Wow. So we cleaned up the table and now we have slime.
Oh.
Now let's move this.
Is it stretchy?
Yeah. Stretchy and clean.
Grab it now.
This is going to be the best. Whoops, sorry. This is kind of pushy. And you can do like this. Okay? It's kind of sticky on my fingers. It's very good. So I was very afraid of the sound of my room because
It's raining out.
yeah.
Are you afraid of thunder?
Yeah, I am.
Why?
But sometimes I hold mousy. Look at this. See? That's enough.
It's like a penguin play area. It's almost like snow.
And this is the hand glove. And this is your mitten. Okay? And you hold it like this. It feels weird on my fingers. See this?
It's stretchy.
I see glitter in it. Ew, it's so stretchy. It feel my fingers.
So fluffy.
Now watch this. You can do this to your
He's
penguin.
gone.
Now you can find him in here. We're a hiding place. And you can push it in and out to see him. Oh no, is he okay? I hope he's okay. Oh, he's okay. Oh, that's a cute. And a little hole from him. That may where he's ticking. And look at my finger. Oh. And it kind of feel weird on my finger. Now look at going. Okay?
Okay. Where are we going to?
No, we're just doing stuff. Thanks for watching for my shave. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.